how to check the phone status if it's official or running custom firmware or software on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on about phone. Next, we scroll down and then tap on status information. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and in here you'll be able to see it's a phone status official. This means it is the official Samsung software. If the phone has been messed around with another custom software or firmware, it will have a different status. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.